Hello everybody, my name is James Anthony Baldwin, and today I wanted to make a little video for some of you freshers that will be joining us this year. If you've watched many of my vlogs before, you might know by now that I often quite like to reminisce about things that I used to get up to in first year. Well, with Welcome Week just around the corner on the 16th, I thought this would be a really good opportunity to kind of share my experience with you guys and let you know what to expect with your Welcome Week. I was quite stressed going into enrollment, but really as soon as I got there, it was really quick and it was kind of a big stress reliever. It was kind of like a nice way to start the day. Like, you get given a guide right at the start, so you kind of already know exactly what you're doing. And if you lose a guide or you're just still a little bit confused, then there's like ambassadors everywhere, just the people in the red shirts that you could go to. I mean, I remember just like as soon as I came to the train station and got dropped off at Welcome Week, I was greeted by ambassadors, and they just directed me through. You don't get lost at all. You're right there in the middle of it as soon as you arrive. But then what? Well, basically, most people, I don't know of any other courses that don't do this, you'll have welcome lectures, which is just kind of, they're not vital to the coursework per se, but like they just give you a good briefing of what to expect throughout the year. And it's also just a really good opportunity to get to meet people that you're going to be working with for the next 3 years. I, for one, went to this. I enjoyed myself. It was, nothing too overwhelming, but it was just a nice thing to, yet again, ease me into it. And I know a few people that didn't go to these, that I work with now, and I think they made a big mistake, and I think they'd agree too. See, not only does this just not give off a great first impression, because it just makes you seem like the kind of person that doesn't turn up to lectures, it's also just a missed opportunity because, like I say, you're going to be working with the people here for the next 3 years. You want to get to know them. You want to kind of put yourself in a comfortable environment almost immediately. And if you go to these, it's a good time to do that because you're not getting overwhelmed thinking about, I need to be listening for all this information about my coursework. It's more kind of just an opportunity to get in the room with people and talk and ask questions instead of always listening. But even if you do go to everything on your timetable, I can guarantee that you're still going to have plenty of free time in between. And this free time is kind of ideal because this is going to be the time that you can spend getting to know your flatmates or your course mates. I honestly really regret not going to more of these events because I kind of went into Hanley a lot more and explored Stoke-on-Trent more than actually the university itself, weirdly enough. And while, this wasn't bad, it was good to kind of figure out what was going on around outside the university. I just felt like I was still missing out. I felt like I was missing out on opportunities to meet more people and as well as just kind of figure out what I wanted to do throughout the year, because it wasn't until second year that I started getting involved in societies and more extracurricular things like that. See, obviously it's Freshers Week. All the Freshers events are on nights out. You get drunk, you stay in too late, and then you miss the start of the society fair and you miss out on learning more about the societies you might actually be interested in. So I went to the society fair. I didn't really see anything that was for me because I lay in too long. I went to the welcome party. That was nice. But I also went to the barbecue outside Reslife. That was quite nice actually because I met a lot of people that I wouldn't have otherwise. But aside from that, I didn't really do anything else, and it's a shame because there's so many things that you can get up to. This year, there's like all sorts going on. There's a vintage fair. The vintage fair is on throughout the year, like every so many months, but it's meant to be a really big event during Welcome Week. And then you've also got like this drop-in sports day. There's a secret garden party that Reslife's hosting, so that sounds cute. That sounds really cute. And there's a poker night. I've never played poker before, but what better time to learn? Sounds real fun. But these are just a few things that you can get up to on Welcome Week. There's so much more, and you can just find it all on the events page on the Staffs Union website. I'll pop a link to that down below. If you're extroverted, introverted, or somewhere in between, it doesn't matter. There's something for everyone. There's so many things going on. Whether it be sports, whether it be a board games night, I'm pretty sure there's a meme society. I mean, like there's so many different subcategories for you to look into. There's definitely going to be something there for you. But if you do have any questions, you can't find them online, then as always, you can just drop us a message on any of our social medias at Staffs Uni, and we'll get in touch and we'll let you know kind of what is on that might be best for you. But that's it from me for now. I hope you have an amazing Welcome Week, and who knows, you might even see me there. And if you do, just say hi and we can have a chat. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.